Hello and welcome back to another edition of the Laughing Place Video News Update. I'm Becca Burbank, here to bring you the latest Disney parks, movies, and TV news for October 14th, 2020. Earlier this week, the Walt Disney Company announced a significant reorganization that will help emphasize the company's streaming efforts. Under the new structure, Disney's creative entities will focus on developing and producing original content, while the Media and Entertainment Distribution Organization determines how that content should be released. This new division will be headed by Kareem Daniel, who previously served as President of Consumer Products, Games, and Publishing. Meanwhile, the creation of content will be managed by three groups: Studios, General Entertainment, and Sports, headed by current leaders Alan F. Horn and Alan Bergman, Peter Rice, and James Pitaro, respectively. As for the theme parks, they're mostly excluded from this shift, with Josh D'Amaro remaining in his role as chairman of Disney Parks, Experiences, and Products. In a press release, Disney CEO Bob Chapek explained the move, saying, "Given the incredible success of Disney Plus and our plans to accelerate our direct-to-consumer business, we are strategically positioning our company to more effectively support our growth strategy and increase shareholder value. Managing content creation distinct from distribution will allow us to be more effective and nimble in making the content consumers want most, delivered in the way they prefer to consume it." With Disneyland and Disney California Adventure still closed to guests, it now seems that two popular stage shows at the parks will close permanently. According to the Orange County Register, end-of-run notices were sent to actors from Mickey and the Magical Map and Frozen Live at the Hyperion. This news comes as Disney is in the process of laying off approximately 28,000 cast members in their Parks, Experiences, and Products division. Of course, while these shows may be technically ending their runs for now, it's always possible that Disney could revive them sometime down the road. Last week, guests got to re-enter Disney California Adventure for the first time in more than 6 months. Technically. The Disneyland Resort has debuted a new retail space called the Backlot Premiere Shop. While this shopping experience is an extension of downtown Disney, it's actually being hosted at Stage 17 in Hollywoodland, which was formerly home to such attractions as Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Play It! And Olaf's Snowfest. In fact, you may even spot an old Play It sign during your visit. For a complete look at the Backlot Premiere Shop and the merchandise you'll find there, be sure to check out Mike's report on laughingplace.com. Following the success of the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise, the not-so-success of Haunted Mansion and Country Bears, and the upcoming Jungle Cruise, Disney is reportedly eyeing another theme park attraction film adaptation. According to The Hollywood Reporter, the studio is developing a Space Mountain movie. Joby Harold, who is also currently writing and executive producing the Obi-Wan Kenobi series for Disney Plus, has reportedly been hired to produce a script for the project. Harold will also produce the film with wife Tori Tunnell under their Safe House Pictures banner, with Dan Lims and Jonathan Irick's Rideback production company also involved. At this time, few details are known, but we have to ask, is this idea out of this world, or is it a mission fail? There's good news and bad news to share about Pixar's upcoming film Soul. First, the film will now head directly to Disney+. However, fans will need to wait until December 25th to see it. That's right, Soul is now set to skip theaters and arrive on the streaming service on Christmas Day. Plus, as a gift to subscribers, the film will be included with a regular subscription and will not require a Premier Access upgrade like Mulan did. In case you've forgotten, Soul stars Jamie Foxx, Tina Fey, Felicia Rashad, and more, and was directed by Pete Docter. You can catch the film from the safety of your home this holiday season. Finally this week, the next Spider-Man MCU film just got a bit stranger. Reports indicate that Benedict Cumberbatch has closed a deal to reprise his role as Stephen Strange in the next Tom Holland-led Spidey flick. Considering that the next Strange standalone film includes multiverse in its subtitle, and that Jamie Foxx is apparently on board to play Electro in the Spider-Man sequel, theories that this next installment will explore a Spider-Verse are growing. For the record, the film will once again be released by Sony and not Disney, but will still be part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. This yet untitled Spider-Man movie is currently set to swing into theaters December 17th, 2021. And that will do it for this week's Laughing Place Video News Update. For more on the latest news from around the Walt Disney Company, be sure to visit laughingplace.com and subscribe to our channel right here on YouTube. Until next time, bye-bye!